I went into the kitchen the other day and there was a plate in the sink that hadn't been rinsed, right? Kids, right? Anyway, I rinsed the plate and opened the dishwasher to put it in the dishwasher, but the dishwasher's full and it's just finished. I'm like, oh no, I wasn't planning on this. Oh no. I was just going to put the plate into the dishwasher. Now I've got to empty the dishwasher. And there's no one in the house to see me do it. What is the point? So I put the plate back in the sink, shut the dishwasher, wiped the handle down for prints.